We have A, M, S, T, P. Now I'm going to say a sound, and you point to that sound, and let's see if you're right. Okay, you ready? How about A? A. Did you pick this letter? Good job, you are right. How about T? T. Point to the letter that makes the sound T. Did you choose this letter? Good job, you are right. Okay, we have 3 left. How about which one of these letters makes the sound S? S. Did you pick this letter? Good job, you're right. S makes the sound S. We have 2 left. How about P? P. Which of these letters makes the sound P? Did you choose this letter? Very good. This letter makes the sound P. And we have 1 left. M. M. Did you choose this letter? Very good. These are our 5 sounds. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to say a sound and then write that sound. And let's see if you can choose which one it is. You ready? Okay, our first sound is M. M. Which one would you write for the sound M? Did you write this one? Good job. That's M. Okay, which letter would you write for the sound T? T. Did you write this letter? Very good, you are right. Okay, how about our next sound? What letter would you write for the sound A? A. Did you write this letter? Very good. We have 2 more. Which letter would you write for the sound P? P. Did you write this letter? Very good. We have 1 more. Which letter would you write for the sound S? S. Did you write this letter? Very good. Those are 5 letters. Good job. Okay, now I'm going to write a letter. You tell me the sound it makes, and then I'll say the sound, and you can check if you're right. Okay, you ready? Here is our first letter. What sound would you make with this letter? Did you say M? Good job. M, like a man. Okay, what sound would you make for this letter? Did you say A? A, like an apple. Very good. Okay, what sound would you make for this letter? Did you say P? P, like in pig. Very good. Now, which sound would you make for this letter? Did you say S? S, like in sun. Very good. We have 1 more letter. What sound would you make for this letter? Did you say T? T, like in toe. Very good. Those are 5 letters. Good job.